So this video is about negative indices. What are negative indices? Negative indices are powers, also called exponents, with a minus sign in front of them. For example, like x to the power of minus 2, or 5 to the power of minus 3, or 3 to the power of minus 2. So whenever you will have a negative power over a number, this is known as a negative index. So how we get this negative indices? We get negative indices by dividing two terms with the same base where the first term is raised to a power that is smaller than the power that the second term is raised to. For example, before giving examples, I would like to tell you, you must be knowing how to multiply and divide indices before doing this. If you have no idea about them, go find a link in the description, watch the video and come back to it. So first I'll give you an example. If you have the same base with different powers, in this case when we are multiplying, we add the powers. Same thing we do if it's division. Instead of adding, we subtract the powers. So if this is if this is division instead of multiplication, we subtract the powers. So this one will become 3 minus 2, 1. Here it was 3 plus 2, 5. So how this works: 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 1. So we know a divided by b can also be written as a over b, and we have to simplify it until the lowest. We cancel the common factors. Same way, if you write this 2 power 3 over 2 power 1, it will be like 2 times 2 times 2, and this one is just 2, and we cancel the common factors, and what we're left with is 2 to the power of 2. So this means 3 minus 1 gives you 2. So this is the short way of doing it. Same way, if we have a question like 2 to the power of 5 divided by 2 to the power of 3, so 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 divided by 2 to the power of 3, 2 times 2 times 2, cancel the common factors, we'll be left with 2 to the power of 2. Now how we get negative indices, we'll see in the next example. So 2 to the power of 3 divided by 2 to the power of 5 will be written in a fraction. Let's cancel the common factors. So 1, 2, 3. There is nothing left up, so it's 1 in place of numerator, and denominator is 2 times 2, or I can write it as 2 power 2. So this 1 over 2 power 2 will be written as 2 power negative 2. What this tells us, if you have a number with a negative power, it can be written as a positive power when it changes into a fraction and becomes the denominator, and you can find the value by solving it. So 2 power 2 is 4. So by this we understand that let's say 6 to the power of negative 2 is actually 1 over 6 to the power of 2, or the value is 1 over 36. This is how we solve negative indices. So one last example. Let's say 3 to the power of negative 2 will be written as 1 over 3 to the power of 2, and the value is 1 over 9. I hope this video is of help to you. In case if you want me to solve something else, let me know in the comments. Please share and subscribe our channel, and have a nice day.